In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Proton Mail on Gmail. By the end, you'll have your Proton messages automatically arriving in your Gmail inbox using a simple forwarding rule inside Proton Mail. Start by opening Proton Mail in your browser and signing in. At the top of your inbox, click the Settings toggle icon to open the Quick panel, then choose All Settings to enter the full settings area. In the left sidebar, select Forward and Auto Reply. This is where Proton lets you create rules that pass messages along to another address. Click Add Forwarding Rule. You'll see a form. First, set forward from. If you only use one Proton address, select that address. If you have multiple addresses or aliases, you can choose which one you want forwarded. Next, in the Forward to field, enter your Gmail address carefully. It's worth double-checking for typos here so you don't lose messages. If you want to be selective, you can add a condition. Choose If. Set the field to the subject. Change the operator to contains, and type the text or keywords you want to match. This is handy for forwarding only certain notifications, invoices, or project emails, while keeping everything else in Proton Mail. When you're ready, click Next. Proton will let you know that a confirmation email will be sent to the Gmail address you provided. Forwarding becomes active only after that address accepts the request. This protects you from accidentally forwarding to the wrong place. Go ahead and click Send Confirmation Email to trigger it. Once the confirmation is accepted from the Gmail side, Proton will start forwarding messages that meet your rule. If you don't see the confirmation, check Spam or Filters and make sure your condition and Gmail address are correct. You can return to forward and auto-reply anytime to edit the rule, add more conditions, or turn it off. Keep in mind that forwarding moves your messages into Gmail's ecosystem, so manage security and filters there as well. That's it. Your Proton Mail is now set to flow into Gmail smoothly and on your terms.